In this question, it is given to us that let z be those complex numbers which satisfy mod of z plus 5 less than equal to 4, and this condition, if the maximum value of mod of z plus 1 whole square is alpha plus beta root 2, then the value of alpha plus beta is. Before I do this question, first I will tell you a concept that in complex number, equation of line is in the form of az bar plus a bar z plus b equal to 0, where b is real. And if some equation of line in complex number is given to you and you have to find the points where the line cuts x-axis, that is real axis, and the points where the line cuts y-axis, that is imaginary axis, the procedure is to find the points where the line cuts x-axis. For finding that point, for z bar, write z and get the value of z. That is, z will be equal to minus b upon a plus a bar. That is for finding the point where the line has cut x-axis. For that, for z bar, write z, and the value of z you will be getting will be the x coordinate of the point where the line cuts x-axis, or you can say real axis. To find the point where the line cuts y-axis, for z bar, write minus z. Actually, I am using this because for this point z bar and z will be same, and for this point z bar will be equal to minus z. That is why if you want to find this point, put minus z for z bar, and the value of z you will be getting will be the y coordinate of this point. That is, here if I write minus z for z bar, I will get minus a plus a bar into z plus b equal to 0, and the value of z will be b upon a minus a bar. This is the y coordinate of the point where the line cuts y-axis. You must know these steps. We also know that the equation mod of z minus z0 equal to r represent a circle with apex of center z0 and radius r. And if it is less than equal to r, then it will be representing all the points inside also and boundary also with apex of center z0 and radius r. All these things you must be knowing. And now let us draw the diagram. Mod of z plus 5 less than equal to 4 means z will lie anywhere on the circle or inside the circle with apex of center minus 5 and radius 4, because it is less than equal to 4 is given to you. And this can be written as z into 1 plus I plus z bar into plus 10 greater than equal to 0. First thing, z into equal to 0 represent a line, and to find the points where the line cuts x-axis and y-axis, for z bar write z, and the value of z will be the point where the line cuts x-axis. If I write z for z bar, I will get 2z plus 10 equal 0. That is z equal to minus 5. That is, this will be the point where the line will cut x-axis, that is real axis. And for finding the point where the line cuts y-axis, that is imaginary axis, for z bar write minus z. For z bar, if I write minus z, then I will get z into 1 plus I minus plus 10 equal to 0. That is z equal to minus 10 upon 2i, that is 5i. That is, this is a point where the line cuts y-axis. That is, this equation represent this line. And because if I want to draw the graph of this, then shading will also be there. For this, only one line will be there. But for this, shading will also be there. To check on which side shading will be there, let us take the example of origin. By writing z equals 0, I am getting 10. 10 greater than equal to 0 is true. Therefore, I will say shading will be on this side. And according to this, shading should be on this side of line. According to that, shading should be inside this circle. That is, common shaded portion will be this is a common shaded portion. Mod of z plus 1 means z minus this thing. Z lies anywhere on this circle. Minus is somewhere here because radius is 4. And clearly out of all these points, this point is at maximum distance from this point. And from here 5 and 5, we can easily say that the angle is 45 degree. Hence this angle is 45 degree. Therefore, using the concept of parametric equation of circle, I can say x coordinate of this point will be minus 5 minus 4 cos 45. That is, x is minus 5 minus 2 root 2. And the value of y will be minus 4 sine 45. That is minus 2 root 2. Hence, for this point, x coordinate is this, y coordinate is this. Let us name this point as A, this point as B. Out of all these points, this point is at maximum distance from the point A. Now, AB is equal to minus 5 minus 2 root 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 root 2 whole square. Four plus 2 root 2 whole square plus 8. Hence, mod of z plus 1 square means AB square equal to 4 plus 2 root 2 whole square plus 8.